5:56 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.3 and 0.6 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, gulches, roads, and poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include the Colwyn-Burn area of north-central Boulder County. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of creeks, streams, and ditches in the Colwyn-Burn area. Rock slides or debris flows can also be expected. The main areas of concern are Ohio Valley Range and Left Hand Creek just above a 36.